So I've posted a lot of marches and a lot of tunes that you learn early on in your piping. Not that I'm an expert or anything like that, but this is one of my favorite tunes. It's an old tune that a lot of pipe bands like to play, a lot of pipers like to play. It's also a tune by Matheson called Hiccup. It's a hornpipe, so 2 beats of R. And we'll take it nice and easy to start with, you know. It's a 4-part tune. Some people only play 2 parts. Do the best you can if it's a tune you've always wanted to learn how to play. Da 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 dee dum da da dee da 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 dum. Ready? 1, 2.